today to talk about the benefits of replacing your cabin air filter. This cleans the air that you're breathing inside the car. This circulates air for you as well as your passengers. Now if you take a look here, this is what a contaminated cabin filter looks like. You can find these cabin filters at an array of shops and independent locations. The benefit of using a factory filter is that it's going to fit in the vehicle precisely so that it does catch any contaminants that goes through the system, as well as maximizing the airflow from your blower motor. We also offer a once-a-year HVAC ventilation service that is actually a sterilizing foam treatment that goes through your entire evaporator system as well as your ventilation system. That cleans any mold, any mildew that builds up inside that system. Obviously here in the South we live in a lot of moisture. That mold and mildew builds up very quickly. So we do recommend doing this once a year or every 30,000 miles. We do offer that here as a regular service here for your Tune Up Tuesday.